है। तो मैकाविटी के बारे में आप क्या जानते हैं? मैकाविटी इज a mysterious cat. Macavity is a mysterious criminal which cannot be caught by a policeman. You can find everywhere. You can see him everywhere. Even sometimes you find the Macavity is passing by you, but you cannot understand that he or she is Macavity. Because Macavity is called also hidden paw. Wherever crime is committed, people understand there is Macavity, because no one can do this kind of crime except Macavity. The whole London police is busy. The whole Scotland Yard is busy in order to find out the Macavity. But you cannot find out the Macavity, because he is the masterpiece of crime. He cannot be compared to any other criminal, because criminal leaves some footprints, but he never leaves any footprints. When you find that Macavity is half asleep, understand that he is fully awakened and making some plan to defy the law. He has broken all the rules and regulations of human being. Even he has broken the law of gravity also. He jumps from one place to another place that the people could not understand what happened here. When police comes and try to find out into the basement, in the room, in where, here, there, in the air even also. But Macavity is not there. Macavity is not there. Macavity is completely mysterious one.